Chester King. I graduated from Shawnee in 1971. Actually came to Shawnee in 1965. This was a middle school. I came back as a security guard in 98 or 99. I actually came to the third floor and saw how bad shape it was in. Lockers in the middle of the hallway, chalkboards on the floor, floors tore up. It was in bad shape.
Never been up here before. It's crazy to me. It really looked to me like a ghost tour, you know, like an old prison or something. That's really what it reminded me of.
We've come a mighty long way, but we're here. And this renovation opens the door for more facility and educational success. It's important for our students. I like you all, but I love those two people over there because that's what education is all about.
I've seen some work done to the bathrooms, bigger rooms. I hope it brings more people to really think about coming to this school because this school is a great school, so I hope it changed some people's minds.
I'm seeing a completely different look from what I saw 8, 9 years ago. This is modern, the floors have been redone. It makes my heart flutter because Shawnee was a dying school as far as I was concerned, and now I'm seeing life put back into it, and I hope enrollment goes up. Hopefully they'll see a new school and want to come back to Shawnee and get Shawnee back on the map like it should be.
I always knew it was a third floor, I just never really got any details about it.
It's really cool to see these plain white walls, and that's because I think it's a really cool thing for students to get to leave their mark on the school in a sense. And we're gonna have a whole new generation of kids that are gonna get to leave posters or artwork, stuff like that behind. It just shows me that they really care, and like I said, you can tell when you come here that the teachers and staff really care about students.
Because we have done this, it is more accessible, more appealing for staff, family, and the Shawnee community. To our Shawnee students, please never forget that you deserve the best, always.